Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm glad having you back today. I'll be showing you how to make Yorkshire pudding. To make your Yorkshire pudding, you're going to need flour. So I'm using tapioca flour. You can use all-purpose flour. So I'm going to bring my tapioca flour into a medium bowl like this. After bringing the flour into a bowl, I'm going to create a hole in the middle like this. I'm going to be adding in 4 eggs into 1 cup of tapioca flour. Next, I'm going to stir until it combines. Once I've mixed this, I'm going to gradually add 200 ml of skim milk and stir until there's no lump. I'll gradually add my milk until everything is dissolved and lump free. When making Yorkshire pudding, do not add baking powder and do not use any self-rising flour. It's going to ruin the consistency of your Yorkshire pudding. Once I've gotten a consistency like this, I'm going to stop stirring. I'm going to place this in the fridge for at least an hour. You can place this overnight in the fridge, or you can easily prepare this ahead of time. Here are my non-stick molds. You can use muffin molds or any mold that doesn't stick. Into the mold, I'm going to add in half teaspoons of butter. After adding butter to the molds, I'm going to place this in the oven for 10 minutes. Just immediately after 1 hour, I've taken my batter out of the fridge and this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to season this with a little bit of pepper. You can season this to your taste, just a little bit. I'm going to be adding. That's 1/4 of a teaspoon and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Once I've seasoned this, I'm going to stir and make sure it combines. I've just taken the butter out of the oven. Right now, I'm going to scoop the butter into the molds. Just make sure you scoop equal portion into each tin. Once I've had them equally distributed, I'm taking this back into my preheated oven. My oven is preheated at 220 degrees Celsius. Once your Yorkshire puddings are in the oven, do not open the oven yet, otherwise the pudding is going to fall. 5 minutes into baking my Yorkshire pudding, I'm just going to reduce the temperature of the oven and allow this to bake on low heat. So guys, after baking this for 30 minutes in the oven, I've taken this out. I'm just going to leave my Yorkshire pudding to cool down a little bit before I take them out of the mold. So guys, our Yorkshire puddings have all cooled down. They've turned out very brown, golden, both in and out. So I like the crispiness. I hope you can hear that. They are puffy and crispy at the same time. This is the texture you're looking for. Okay, it's crispy and soft in the inside. This is just perfect for me. I love this Yorkshire pudding and it tastes really amazing. This was how to make Yorkshire pudding at home. This is pretty simple. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're new here for the first time, please remember to subscribe, click on the bell button, and also you can share this video with your friends if you have time. Thank you guys, until next time, bye.